BioBlast Disinfectant is a broad-spectrum hospital disinfectant that's used for industrial, medical, commercial, and residential purposes. BioBlast Disinfectant is pH-neutral, superoxidized water that eliminates bacteria, viruses, fungi, and biofilm while being people, pet, and planet-friendly. BioBlasting offers special applicators that spray BioBlast Disinfectant directly onto surfaces and provides a no-wipe technology that will save you time, money, and reduce human error, cross-contamination, and labor costs. Implementing our systems will effectively destroy pathogens while saving thousands of dollars in cleaning expenses every month. COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. BioBlast Disinfectant kills similar viruses and therefore can be used against SARS-CoV-2 virus when used in accordance with the directions for use against norovirus and rhinovirus type 16 on hard, non-porous surfaces. With our unique application process, BioBlast Disinfectant technology can be used in virtually all industries, including, but not limited to, daycares, healthcare facilities, food services, and many more. BioBlast Disinfectant can be sprayed into the air or on hard surfaces. Open the cap and fill the sprayer with BioBlast Disinfectant. Plug the machine into an outlet. Adjust the strap to a comfortable height and place the machine over your shoulder. Push the switch forward to turn on the machine. Adjust the control knob for higher or lower settings. Spray the product working from high areas to low areas to ensure complete disinfection. When finished, turn off and unplug the machine. Be sure to flush your machine with clean water on a regular basis.